And now what I'd like to do is go from this, where you plane shifted down into your corkscrew, so that you're counterclockwise in your corkscrew, and then turn the corkscrew into the sprinkler, so that you have a transition into it in flow. So we're in the pinwheel. We're going to plane shift the pinwheel down to the corkscrew, and then from this corkscrew, go into your sprinkler, and we'll do that 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now bring it into your corkscrew, plane shift it back up to your pinwheel, and then just for shits and giggles, let's do an extension for 3, 2, 1, and now plane shift it back down into the corkscrew, and then turn that into the sprinkler, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now do a 360 on the in spin, coming back to the front, and then go back into your corkscrew. Oops, sorry, I did the 4 beat. Plane shift it back up to pinwheel, and then we'll go big, and 3 more, and 2 more, and last one, back to your pinwheel, plane shift it down into your corkscrew, and now turn the corkscrew into the sprinkler, and now from the sprinkler, I want you to do, we'll do 4 more, 3 more, then we're gonna turn to the right, 2 more, and that's the anti-spin one, last one. Now here we go, turn to the right, boom, 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 and back to your sprinkler, and then we'll go back to the corkscrew, and then back to the pinwheel, and then turn left to your giant, and now swivel, and then turn left to chasing the sun, and then you're gonna go under your right leg, and turn left to the cap, and now we're gonna do the weave turnaround from the cap, back to the cap, I didn't say it, sorry, right turnaround from the cap, so we'll go weave turnaround right from the cap, and then we're gonna do a couple caps here, and then we're gonna do a left weave turnaround. We did this a while ago, but I don't know if you remember. Front, all the way up, all the way down, front, up, all the way down, front, up, all the way down. So you're popping it out to here, your arms are basically fully extended, and then from here, and you don't want to be too high, you want to be at shoulder height, and then you're going to go pop it up, swing it down, out, pop it up, swing it down, pop it up, swing, out, pop it up, swing. We'll redo that whole thing here. Let's start again in the counterclockwise pinwheel. And then do your extension. We'll go 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Back to your regular size pinwheel. Plane shift it down into your corkscrew. Now from your corkscrew, bring it into your sprinkler. And 4, 3, 2 more. And now we'll do the last one. And now we'll turn to the right in the anti-spin, coming back to here, into your cap. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now this next one, here we go, turn to the right. Around, 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 and cap. 2, 3, 4. Now turn to the left. We're doing the easy turn, easy turn, easy turn, easy turn, back to the cap. 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, last one. Now we're gonna do the easy turn again. So turn left, turn left, turn left, come around, come around, come around, cap. And we're gonna do the hard turn one more time. 3 more, 2 more, last one. Okay, now get ready on this next one. Here we go, turn to the right, turn to the right, turn to the right, come around, come around, come around, cap. And now bring it into your corkscrew. Plane shift your corkscrew up, sync up the timing, and now go to chasing the sun. And we're gonna go out and do the right leg again, and back up, and again, chase the sun, back under your right leg, up to your pinwheel, extension 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Now get ready, we're gonna turn 360 in the giant, back to the pinwheel, and then sync up the pinwheel again, turn left into your cap, and we'll do 4 of them, 3 more, 2 more, Last one, and now turn right in the weave 360, and then we're gonna go back into the cap. So sink it up in the cap. 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna turn left 360, and weave, back to your cap again. And now sweep, chase the sun, come under your right leg again, up to your pinwheel, extension 4, 3, 2, 1, and then do the right turn 360 on this next extension all the way around, back to your pinwheel. Sink it up, bring it down into the corkscrew, tap, up and over, down and tap, up and over, down and tap, up, overturn, down and tap, up, overturn, down and tap, up, overturn, down and tap. Now, just bring it into the corkscrew counterclockwise. Now we're gonna turn that into your sprinkler again. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. And turn. Woo!